What's up guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're taking a look at a case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is by a company called Casekoo, and Casekoo was kind enough to send this out to me to review for you guys. The specific case we'll be taking a look at today is the Defender Armor Matte Hard Case, and this is in midnight green. They also have one in black as well. So what is unique about this case is it is a tough style case, so if you're looking for something that has a little bit more protection, this might be the way to go here. It does have a matte black see-through back on it, so you can still see the back of your phone, so you can still enjoy the color and design of your phone. This one is military grade drop tested. It does have all around camera and screen protection, so it does have protection around the actual lenses of the camera, so because everything on this is glass, which is really nice and unique and something I haven't really seen before. This case is also, they also offer something called worry-free after sales assured, so if you use this case on your phone and it breaks, they promise to compensate you for all the repair costs, which is really nice assurance. So if you buy the case, you are covered. So really nice there. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So as with the previous cases I've reviewed from Casekoo, they come in a very similar case, or similar package here, very nondescript, but we do have the Casekoo branding here, their logo. We have that is a case, art of protection right here, branding on the side, logo on the side. We have Casekoo on the top, Casekoo's website, and then we also have in Casekoo in Love on the back, and then just some information about environment and recycling on the back. And the only way really to know what type of case this is by this little UPC code right there. So just taking it out of the case here, we have the phone right here. We do get this little envelope, gift for you thing here, and this just says in Casekoo in Love. And what we get here is a luggage tag. So you get a nice little luggage tag with their logo, a little picture of a luggage right here. You get your name, cell, and address you can put on there, as well as a little lanyard right there, so you can attach that. So nice little added bonus. So if you buy this case, you get a little luggage tag that you can use on your luggage. Not that we can travel right now, but you know. Anyway, looking at the case real quick here, it does give you some instructions on the outside here, showing you how to put the phone in the case and how to take it out. So really nice there. And I did just review one of these for the iPhone 11, and I really like this case, but man, it looks good, and they added this one in green, so this one will match closely to the iPhone 11 Pro Max's green color. So as you can see here, we have this interesting pattern here, so we have these matte lines right here, so these are matte, the rest is clear, and then you have a texture on the opposite side that pokes through that you can see, and then we have our Casekoo branding right there. And then the real interesting part here is the camera, which this covers all three of the cameras on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, as well as gives you a lip of protection. So let's take a look at the phone inside the case here, and just to show you on the inside, that's where the texture is right there, and it is a matte black tint, so looks really good. And popping it in here, there we go. And as you can see on the front here, we do have our nice big corners here for protection. So there's a TPU style material, and we get these nice large cushions on the corners, so if you do drop your phone, it is protected. You do have a nice lip around the edge here. It's not too excessive, it's not too crazy, so it's not going to keep you from typing or keep you from swiping or anything like that. It's just enough so that if you do put your phone face down or drops down face down, you'll have a little bit of protection. On the back here, you can see we have that beautiful midnight green coming from the iPhone on the back, coming through, nice tint on it, and you do still see, well, you sort of can see the Apple logo right there. Not quite, but it is still see-through. Right here on the camera, you do see that everything is perfectly cut out right here, but it is covered and protected, so it looks really good. And then as you can see, we do have that lip right there. And just to give you an idea of how the design looks here, you do have this indent that goes all the way to the side on both sides, indents, and then the Casekoo logo comes out, and then we have these 4 lines come out here. So really just an interesting style of case, and I think it really looks unique, and definitely like that pop of green color. Really looks good. So that green color is on the camera lens, it's on the outside on here, and then it goes all the way around the edge of the front of the phone, as well as your power key and your volume key, as well as around the silent switch right there. So really nice. So taking a look at the side here, we do have, again, those corners right there. We have our nice cutout for our silent switch right here. So that's really nice, easily accessible right there. We do have our button covers right here, and those click just fine. And then we have some added texture right here on the outside, so some added ridges, so you can grab the phone and go. And then on the bottom here, we do have our nice cutout for our mic and speaker, and then our lightning port right here. You can see how large those corners are based on that right there. Looking at the side here, one thing I absolutely love is a ridged power button. It's really nice, easily accessible, and then we have some ridges on the back of it as well, so you have no problem finding your power button at all. And then we have those nice lines right there, some more texture. Looks really, really good. So there you go. Alright guys, so this has just been a quick look at the Defender Armor matte hard case in midnight green for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This again also comes in black if you are interested in that. And this one runs $29.99 on their website, and they also have it on Amazon right now for $22.99 for the black version, and then $25.99 for the midnight green version. And I will leave a link in the description down below if you are interested in checking any of these out. So again, thank you to Casekoo for sending this out to me to review. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.